Hello, hello! Welcome back everyone. Welcome back to David Hughes Lofts. Kia ora from New Zealand. Well, we've got a humdinger today. Just let the birds out. It's just before lunchtime now and getting some heavy gales. Birds ranged around for about 10-15 minutes. Now they're all sitting up there on the prefab or on the shed there, having a nice nice rain bath, lifting up their wings and getting a nice bath. That's good, healthy, good for them. Anyhow, we've got a raging wind, which helps them anyway, helps them out, keeps them fit, and they can negotiate wind gusts and things like that, which helps them, as long as they're not around any power lines and stuff like that. Alright then, well, thank you very much everyone. I hope everyone's doing well with their racing, and we've got I think our club's got a few more races coming up soon, so we'll see how we go. The birds are all looking fit. I'm fairly confident that they'll be up to the job, or up to the task of racing. So okay, well, until next time everyone, have a good day, night, afternoon, evening.